Alright, so you have to remove the screws. Usually there'll be a motor in here from the last fight, but you gotta remove the screws to take them out. And take the motor holder out. Then you have the motor holder and the motor. You literally just thread the motor in there. Then, once it's in there, you need to get some tape. And then what this does is we wrap it around the base where it meets the motor holder. And this essentially forms a ledge so that the motor can't fall out the bottom of the motor holder. So since it's not there yet, we need a bit more. So you basically just incrementally do this until there's a pretty solid ledge built up. Okay, I'm gonna say we need a tiny bit more. One more wrap around. Now it can't go through that way, and it can't come up because of the part. Then we literally just put this whole thing back in. Yeah, and then start screwing it in. Okay, so now that the motor's in, it should be all good for launch. We just need to get it on the rail and get an igniter in, and then we should be good.